In this video I am going to be focusing on square roots. What they are, and what you do when you encounter them. Have you ever seen one? It looks like this. We are all familiar with our times tables up to at least 12, so our exploration of square roots will focus on that set of numbers. And remember, a cube root and a square root are different things. Don't get them mixed up. To start off, I will give you an example. This is asking you to find the square root of 100, it's asking you to solve for y. The answer of a square root is a number when multiplied by itself, or that number to the power of 2 equals the number under the square root sign. So in this case, y multiplied by itself equals 100. So in this case y is equal to 10. So the square root of 100 is 10. Did you understand that? If you didn't, here is another example. What is the square root of 36? You can make a table, on paper or in your head, with the numbers 1 through 12 and what the answer is if you multiply it by itself. For example, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25 and 6 times 6 is 36. In this case I stopped here, because my answer showed up. But if you still haven't found the numbers you want, continue this pattern all the way up to 12 times 12, and sometimes even more than that. If you do this, you will eventually find the number you are trying to find the square root of. Then you just look at what number you had to multiply by itself to get that number. Then you have your answer. Pause the video here and do these questions. Question 1. What is the square root of 144? Question 2. What is the square root of 81? Question 3. What is the square root of 25? Question 4. What is the square root of 64? Now that you have done those questions, I will review the answers with you. For question 1, the square root of 144 is 12. Because 12 times 12 is 144. For question 2, the square root of 81 is 9. For question 3, the square root of 25 is 5. And for question 4, the square root of 64 is 8. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned about square roots.